Guys, welcome back and thank you so much for tuning in. Today's glam is inspired by fall. Let's get into it. So skincare before your makeup is very important, and today I'm going to be switching it up with the hydrating drops. I've been using Ogee products. I've been using their makeup products for a while, but I wanted to try their skincare line as well because their makeup products work so well for me. So I'm going to go in with their hyaluronic acid elixir. I'm going to be using this product to seal in the rose water that I just applied to my face. This is also an added layer of hydration. You guys are going to kill me because I'm going back in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I know. You guys ought to be sick of me by now. I use this in like every video, but I just have yet to find a primer that works for my skin type. If you guys have any primer recommendations for oily, acne-prone skin, let your girl know. It's really hard for me to transition into new products because I'm like, I don't want to break out. You know, that's just how people with acne-prone skin, that's how our skin operates. It's like you put something new on your skin and your skin is like, whoa, what's going on here? What are you doing? That one episode of SpongeBob where they are just like freaking out, running around the office trying to like get his thoughts together. Yeah, that's my skin. Another new product that I'm excited to try is the Danessa Myricks Beauty Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder for face and eyes. Blurring skin balm? Okay. A lot of products will say that they do certain things and then they don't even work. Comes with a little spoonware. Come on, DM. To smooth and blur textured areas. Let's get to work. Danessa Myricks, she said that sometimes you'll find yourself between two shades. You can use either or. I really like the way that this one looked on my skin when I tried it in Sephora, so let's see how this goes. The texture kind of feels like, this is a weird comparison, but it kind of feels like edge control, like a pomade. Oh. This is crazy because it kind of looks like skin. I feel like it definitely blurred. I'm a fan. I like it. For foundation, I am going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation in the shade 14 Neutral. I definitely want to use this blurring balm from Danessa Myricks as something for my foundation to stick to. So for contour today, I am going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Concealer in the shade 490. Dip it in the side of there. Yeah. I feel like as I've kind of been in my YouTube era, it's reactivated this creativity in me to want to try more makeup looks because my everyday makeup routine is literally how I walk out of my house every single day. Like, what else can I do? So I'm very happy to be sharing this process, this journey with you guys. To go over that contour, I'm going to be using the Fenty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 460. So this is the Soft Pinch Matte Liquid Blush from Rare Beauty, and this is the shade Love. I've been hearing a lot of jazz about the Rare Beauty blushes and how super pigmented they are, so I'm gonna not be heavy-handed today. Just gonna apply 2 drops. Guys, okay, I'm gonna brush this out, just like stipple it into my face. Oh my gosh, she is orange. Whoa. We definitely should have went with one dot. The formula definitely blends seamlessly. Love that. Gonna add a little face powder in just to kill the pigment a little. That looks great. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera, so I'll be right back. We're clocking back in, the eyebrows are done. Next, I'm gonna go in with my favorite concealer at the moment. It is the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Concealer in the shade Praline 6.3 in. I'm gonna be applying a little more than I usually do, just because we're going heavy-handed with the makeup today. I'm gonna be blending this in with a beauty blender. And I'm focusing it right underneath the eye, right in that corner, and then dragging it out and up. I focus a lot of the product in this corner area just because I don't want to immediately take the product that I just placed. I don't want to take the product that I immediately placed on my face out, just because I don't want too much product towards the perimeter of my face. I kind of want it to be brighter here, and then, you know, be a little bit more translucent as it goes out. It's so good. Huda put her foot in this. I don't like to bring it down all the way to the bottom of the bridge of my nose, just because the tip of my nose is kind of like a circle. I don't have a problem with it. Don't have a problem with it. But I just like that it's like a gradient down the center of my nose. I feel like that looks better for my face. Because I used to drag the contour like to here and it would make my nose appear a little droopy. So now I just like stop it right where it bells out. For the first time in a long time, I'm actually gonna put myself in the oven and bake today. I'm gonna get in there and do the whole 350 degrees, but I am gonna apply that solid base still. Come on. Yes, and I'm also going to take this on my eyelids just because I am applying an eye look today. And I'm going to take a little of what's left over on the other parts of my face. Ooh. Yes. What is the mood of the day, darling? So using a fluffy brush, I'm just gonna keep going here in the corner and apply this all over the lid. The first eyeliner that I'm going to be using is from MAC. It's their Graphblack Technakohl Liner eyeliner. This is just a really good matte black liner that's like easy to smudge. She might be a little difficult to put on right now because I have lashes, but we're going to make it work. But I'm just going to line the outer portion of my eye. And kind of make a wing on the end, but not out yet. Don't put the wing out yet. And just get a good amount of the black liner on there. I'm also going to use this liner to tight line my waterline. Now, using a flat brush, I'm just going to go back into that Empowered palette and use Legacy. I want this color to be right underneath my eye, so I'm just going to smudge that right underneath the eye, mixing it in with the liner that we just applied. And then you're going to smudge all the way to that line that we created on the end with our eyeliner. Now this palette I've had for a minute, unapologetically. Homegirl, the freaking... This is my Milani Bold Obsessions #2 eyeshadow palette. But I'm going to go in with this bottom shade here, which is a brown. It's called Brunettes Have Fun. I'm going to be taking a shorter, fluffy brush, and this is just going to be used to pack in that brown color right on the outer corner of my lid. I am not doing anything special right now, just packing it into place. Now with the long fluffy brush, I'm just gonna blend that color out in the corner of my eye and up. And feel free to bring it over to meet the eyebrow contour, just so the look looks a little bit more cohesive. Now I'm just going to diffuse that eyeliner that I applied in the beginning. The second eyeliner that I'm going to be using is the Classic Eye Powder Pencil by Charlotte Tilbury. Baby, this pencil, she does not move. Once you put her on, she is clocking in for the night. She does not move. But I'm just going to go over that tight waterline. And we're going to create a wing. The setting powder is still on my face, so I am going to use the Caudalie Beauty Elixir to melt all the products into my skin so I can get rid of the translucent setting powder. So now I'm going to be going into my Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Volume 1. Volume 1 palette. I'm going to be mixing Toby and Neo, but just a small amount because we both know that this is super pigmented. So the lip liner that I'm going to be using today is going to be from Sephora. This is the shade 17 Molasses. This glides on just like extremely well. Gonna fill in the corner just a little bit. Yeah, just like that. For the lips today, we are going to be using the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm Cream in the shade Cookie Jar. Child, she is giving pumpkin spice and everything nice. I have not tried this product, but here we go. Ooh. Girl. I could have that under my lip all day, every day. Okay. Hold on. That is nar. Oh my god, that. Okay. What? Gross. I'm so sorry to do this to you. I'll be right back. I gotta go clean this brush. Okay, we're back. She's clean. Okay. Where's the makeup palette? Okay. So y'all remember her Legacy over here? Okay, we're gonna take that, clocking her back in, and we're gonna place this girl right in here. Right in there. right up in there like that. Right? Come on. Come on. I'm sorry. The inspo just peaked right then and there. So yeah, we're just gonna cancel all the other colors out and the rest of this look, and we're gonna give it to Legacy. Yeah. Are you kidding me? Like, hello, Autumn. We need a little highlight. We need a little highlight in the brow. So I'm gonna take tempera right up in here with my finger and put that right underneath the brow bone. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter in the shade Trophy Wife. See what this is giving. I'm gonna take a little bit of this because I do know that it is especially golden and I don't want to throw off the look of the lips, darling. This is the finished look. Oh my god. I don't care what you'll say. I don't care what you'll say. This look eats. Stop playing with me. As always, thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you so much for hanging out. Thank you so much for making it through this crazy video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.